what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Chemicals Over the Country Club by Lana Del Rey. Okay, apparently the song has been released for a long time now, but the official video just came out now, and I thought since I hadn't done a tutorial, let me do that right now. So we're gonna play this with 3 basic chords. Okay, first chord is a C major, and then we go to a D, and then we go to E minor. C, this is a D, right? If you slide C to frets 3 to 5, from 1 to 3, 3, 4, 5, it becomes a D, right? If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video, but strumming pattern for this would be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, let's go. So it's actually down, 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 instead of down, down, up. And then you can put a G right there at the end to just spice things up if you want to. Alright, that last play along was just me trying to, give you ideas, because the chords seem boring, but they're actually really dope, and you can do all sorts of things with them. If you're playing the song like for a cover or something, you might want to start with drums. You can mute it up, you can plug, and you can put these all riffs and stuff. Just have fun with it. It's a great song. Actually, it's pretty simple, and I recommend it for those of you that are still learning how to coordinate between playing and singing at the same time. That's been it for this video, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Let me know in the comment section below any other new songs or upcoming songs that you'd want to see on the channel. I repeat, new songs. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.